We are creating a 3-question digital quiz today. We do that through the Keys menu. Digital SAT, and we will start by creating an item. Do that by clicking on Add, and I want to create a math item, multiple choice. The math item I want to create is actually the one I have over here in a Word document. So this is what it will look like when it's done. I will start by uploading an image. We support JPEG or PNG. I can see this is way too big. I want something in the neighborhood of 300 to 400 pixels wide, and this is good here. I want my text to be above the image. So I'll go over here to my Word document, and I'm just going to copy this text. Saves me from typing it in. Now what I want is certain parts here to be in the LaTeX format. So that uses a special font. The way I do it is I cut the section that I want and paste it back in here, and then it just places it into the right format. I want to do that with the 12 centimeters as well. And so anything that you want in that format. Now this clearly I want this to be superscripted, so the LaTeX keystroke is the caret. I have to add the caret, and that then puts it into a superscript. Yeah, so there's my question. It's done. Now I'm going to add the others, 2.4 pi. And so this is how I do it. Again, I use this formula, and this time I have to use the keyword pi, which is a LaTeX keyword for the pi symbol. And that's actually the right answer too, so I'm going to mark that. Here are the distractors. The fourth answer is pi over 6, and so that's actually a fraction, so that requires a little extra LaTeX code. Now notice how small that is. I actually would like that to be larger. So I'm going to go to display mode, which makes it larger. And then to be consistent, I'm putting everything else in display mode as well. That way it will look, oops, nice. Okay, if I want to assign a skill, I can do that. I can also assign a difficulty level, and important is the tag, that I add a tag to it. In this case, the tag that I'm choosing is this one, which is the same tag I'm using for other items that go into the same quiz. It makes it later very easy for me to find all the right questions that go into this. Okay, preview save. Here it is. It looks great. And notice how this isn't super small, but it's about the same size as everything else. And I'm done. Okay, now I want to actually assemble so my quiz, and I'm creating a new quiz. I'm just going to call it this is a quiz. A test is very similarly done. The test, I'm going to publish it right away. Today's math demo. And I'm under answer key. I'm going to say this is a 3-question quiz. I'm adding math items. I'm using the filter. Under tag, I use the tag that I gave. And when I bring that up, I can see there's 3 items that I've created. I will add them to the test. If I'm not happy with the order, I can just drag them into the right order. So there's my 3 questions. I will save that, and now I have a quiz. I can now go to users or to a class. I have a class here, the demo 2 class that I had previously created. And I will add an online test. There's 1 student in it. I'm going to click on online test. I'm going to add this digital SAT quiz. Today's math demo. That's the one. So there's a lot of scrolling here. Okay, that quiz is now attached to the class, and my student demo 2, which is part of this class, now automatically has that assigned to them. Here's what the student's portal looks like. Under take a test, SAT, I can now see here's today's demo, and the student can take it. Okay, I didn't set any time limits.